Hi, it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I want to show you Volkswagen T6 power folding mirrors upgrade, which we performed on our own T6 van that we have. It's our little mobile workshop that we use for jobs that we do on a mobile basis, and we have upgraded our car with power folding mirrors. So this switch has been replaced, so it gives you this additional feature here. So if I turn it into it, the mirrors fold one and the other, so you get both mirrors fold and unfolds, which is really useful, as obviously this car is quite wide to getting through the narrow spaces, or even when parking it's really great. But what's in addition, what we have worked on is we have done a little clever trick on this as well, to allow for the mirrors to fold while you closing the car. This is not available normally when you get this done from the factory. Well, I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. So this is our van, here you go, our lovely graphic which we love, and you've got the mirrors here. So if I lock the car, that's the normal function, and mirrors stay as they are. But if I press and hold the button, that shows the mirrors folding now. So that's done by us. If you want more information, get in touch, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.